When I was looking for it,
Sorry, Ashley.
Armin's car.
What is this?
It's a Holden Commodore from Australia. It's an Australian sports sedan.
Oh.
Yeah. It's a different car. Look at it shake. See that shake? The car's moving. Oh my God. Wants to hold on to the RPMs. I love it. Gotta give it to Livernois. You know, I know it's a can tune and people give me some hate on that. I don't give a. It's been a solid tune since I've been using Livernois for the past few years. Since I got this car, no issues whatsoever. Taking it to the track, as you guys know, last year, you've seen the results. Numbers don't lie, okay? Most drivers that have a very similar setup to this, I'm seeing them push around 440 horsepower to the wheels, almost 400 to torque as well to the wheels. I've seen some with more aggressive tuning, probably anywhere from 450 to 460 to the wheels as far as horsepower, and about 400-ish torque, give or take. I think for me, the real test will be at the track, at the drag strip, to see if I can beat my 12.3 personal best from last year. Huge shout out to Nick Bolin. Is it Bolin or Bolin? Sorry, Nick, if I'm butchering your last name. I'll put his name in the description below. Huge shout out to him. He's a fantastic tech. He's had an SS before. He knows these cars. He's worked on other SSs, other Holdens. He kept me in the loop, very communicative, sent me picture updates. Did it really quick too. Just when I thought it sounded great, it sounds even better. It's louder. It's more of an aggressive, deeper tone, slightly, maybe. At least I think it is. Especially at idle and even at cruising and at wide open throttle. The shifts feel smoother because of the tune from Livernois. I didn't upgrade the stall. I didn't get a stall converter. I stayed with the stock. Main reason I did was budget. I didn't want to. I had a certain budget I was going to spend, basically play money that I set aside. But since I didn't want to go with a much larger, more aggressive cam, I went with a moderate cam that would pair well with the stock stall converter. So I talked to Livernois, asked them what do they recommend for my setup with my stall converter, my stock stall, and they said get the L92 2C cam. You'll have good drivability, great gains for the power for the setup, and but still daily drivability, because I daily drive this car. Obviously, I'm at over 103,000. I'm at 103,000 miles now. I drive this thing. It's driven, not hidden. This ain't no garage queen. I like to use this car for the family road trips, as you've seen. I took this to the Great Smoky Mountains. I'm taking this to upstate New York, all the back roads, mountain roads. Does that not sound glorious? I think it does. One of the things I talked to the tech about was the condition of my engine at 100,000 miles. Full disclosure, I've been, as you may remember from my video almost 2 years ago, not quite 2 years, but when I had the long tube headers installed about 30,000 plus miles ago, I switched to Amazon Basics, Dexos 1 Generation Gen 2, engine oil, 5W30. Dexos 1 Gen 2. I mean, you can't go wrong. It meets the spec. People were giving me a little bit of hate or a little bit of ribbing on why you doing that. I got a AMS oil all the way, Mobil 1 all the way, and I get it. I was a Mobil 1 guy for years. There's a lot of AMS oil diehards, and they're all great oil, no question. They put a lot of R&D in it. Well, I'm happy to report, after the tech broke out the engine and took things apart, he said 100,000 miles or more, it's like taking apart a 40,000 mile car. Car looks really clean inside, he said. Everything looks great. No damage, nothing, no leaks. Oil looks great. So yeah, impressive performance from the Amazon Basics oil for what it's worth. I'm not sponsored by Amazon or Amazon Basics. I don't have any free oil to give away, nor do I get free oil. I'm just saying, from my own personal experience, the oil works just fine. No issues, guys. Final thoughts. Do I love this cam? Fuck yes, I do. It's fantastic. I absolutely love the power. The sound is fucking amazing. I mean, it is so undeniably fun to drive again. That's your Red SS update. Thanks for stopping by.